Alright, Kim. Cameras are off. We signed the agreement, but let's really talk.
Well, how do you know Iran? Because I want to go into space.
Iran?
Musk.
You're forming a partnership with Iran?
Cars. It's the cars of battery cars.
Elon.
Makes the boom, the rockets.
Elon, you're talking about Elon?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about him?
I want to go on a rocket ship.
You,
I want to go on a rocket ship to the moon.
with Elon?
Be a rocket man. Be a big rocket man.
What we can maybe arrange that. I don't know.
Or Jeff Bezos.
No.
You call Bezos.
No.
We go on a rocket ship.
No, not Bezos.
You don't like Bezos?
I hate Bezos.
Why you not like Amazon Prime?
No.
$100 a year.
No, it's a terrible deal. He's ripping off the American people.
Do you not have a Prime?
Terrible service. I would never use it.
What do you use for Neanderthal? What do you use at Walmart?
Walmart. Absolutely.
Is it good?
That's an American company. It's beautiful.
It's a brew.
It's huge.
It's a brew. It's a brew logo.
Everything I need.
Donald, you don't like a Bezos.
I don't like.
You don't
him.
like a Jeff?
I don't like Jeff. He's a liar.
You shoot him if you do not like.
No, is he? I can't do that. I can't shoot him.
Oh, democracy. Oh, we're voting in the public. Oh, so mad. Oh, you shoot the Bezos. It's so bad. You're so weak. I thought you were supreme leader. You were deluxe leader. You're not even a supreme leader.
I am a supreme leader.
Okay, that's a good.
Yeah.
But you have to be a supreme leader. Like
yes.
a supreme leader.
Yes, I do.
Not a deluxe leader. You want to be a supreme leader.
I'm supreme.
You're almost there. You get. I see you in America. You talking to people, and you say, "Hey, we're not going to take it anymore." The song in America, "We're not going to take it anymore."
We're not going to
take it anymore. We're not going to take it anymore.
Yeah.
That's what you say to people, and they love you for it.
That's true.
Hey, Donald.
Yes, Kim.
Do you watch YouTube movies?
YouTube?
A video on YouTube.
Sometimes.
You know what I really like to watch on YouTube? It's a Faribault. He's an AK.
Oh.
He tells me everything about the markets.
Oh.
And the research.
AK Fallible. I checked if he was legal. He is. I like him a lot.
He's American.
He's an American.
But he looks so brown.
He does look brown.
He look like he cooked in the oven a little too long.
He tans a little bit too much.
Too long is my cousin's name.